Palmer makes candy fun by building all these different novelty candies that we do. We do candies for every season.
We also do white. We do centers that have caramel, peanut butter, mint, fudge.
And so it's kind of fun to see all the different candies be produced. You know, the kids that you see in stores, grocery stores and what have you, they're like, look at that, I want the bunny.
When I know we're making new items, I get all excited like a little kid.
It's a fun environment.
I used to work for Dollar General before Palmer's, and I used to receive their product, and I was always interested the way their decorations were coming in. And I used to say to myself, one day I'm going to work there. I was 18 at the time, and I used to say, I'm going to work there one day.
I was much younger, of course, and I needed a good paying job. And so I started at the bottom and progressed as time went on. I've worked here almost 28 years.
Worked here for 29 years. I only have my high school diploma, but I know I had learning here. I got training here for a lot of things.
From 28 years ago, the job has definitely changed a lot. I enjoy the fact that I've been here, pretty much know what I'm doing, and like to help make things fun.
I grew up with the company, and I learned a lot, and I just love it.
You know, some people go to chocolate school and they learn about how to deposit the chocolate and what they need with the tempering and all that sort of thing. I've been in different classes for like learning women in management and things like that I've been in, but no, generally not any big education.
See our product out. I like to say that I did that, we did that. I like to show it off to my mother.
You take pride in what you do. You know, I was a part of that, so that makes you feel good.
I like to learn new things. There's something new going on, or they'll be like, hey, do you want to learn how to do this? And I'm like, yes.
You could be here for 20 years, but you always learn something new every day.
I'm a chocolate lover, so I love all kinds of chocolate. I mean, there's some days that you think, ooh, that smell is a little strong, but it never gets old with chocolate.
I love chocolate, so you're going to see me every time.